A dark, glitchy intro with eerie typing sounds. Text appears. A message appeared online in 2012 and no one knows who sent it. In January 2012, a strange message popped up on 4chan. We are looking for highly intelligent individuals. It was signed by something called Cicada 3301. This kicked off one of the most complex online puzzles ever, involving steganography, ancient books, hidden messages, and even GPS coordinates around the world. People believe it's a secret recruitment tool, maybe for the CIA, a secret society, or something even darker. More puzzles appeared in 2013 and 2014, then they vanished. Who created Cicada 3301? And why? The internet never found out.